Yo, ever wonder what's going on while you're passed out, drooling on your pillow? Yeah, didn't think so, but it's kinda nuts. Let's dive into the wild world of sleep. Trust me, it's not as boring as your uncle's fishing stories. So, you hit the hay, and boom, your brain's like, later, loser. You're not just chilling, your body's pulling off some serious stunts. Sleep's like a secret party where your organs are the VIPs. Here's the lowdown, with a sprinkle of why you should give a crap. When you conk out, you cycle through 4 stages, like a sleep playlist on repeat. Stage 1, you're barely out, still hearing your neighbor's dog lose its mind. Stage 2, you're deeper, heart slows, body cools, and you're like, world, I'm done. Stage 3 is the money zone, deep sleep. Your body's fixing cuts, building muscle, and basically acting like a repair shop on steroids. Then, REM sleep hits. That's rapid eye movement, not the old band. This is dream time, where your brain's cooking up weird stuff, like you're flying through a pizza tornado. Deep sleep's clutch because it's like a full body tune-up. Your immune system levels up, your cells patch themselves, and you wake up ready to adult, or at least fake it. REM's where your brain plays janitor, sorting through the day's mess, work stress, that dumb fight with your friend, all filed or trashed. It's why you wake up less foggy, unless you binged energy drinks at a.m. Oh, and fun fact, during REM, your body's paralyzed. Yup, frozen. It's so you don't kung fu your cat while dreaming you're a ninja. Sometimes you wake up stuck thinking, am I dead? Nah, just chill, it passes. Skimp on sleep, and you're screwed. Your brain's like, cool, I'll forget how to brain. You're cranky, can't focus, and might cry over a bad Wi-Fi signal. Long term, heart issues, weak immune system, and a memory leakier than a busted pipe. Sleep's not optional unless you want to be a hot mess. Your body's got this internal clock, circadian rhythm. It's like a grumpy boss saying, bed now. Light and late night TikTok binges screw it up. Wanna sleep better? Dim lights, ditch screens, and maybe don't chug coffee at midnight. Weird sleep stuff. You might jerk awake like you're falling. Scientists are like, dunno, lol. You could also snore, fart, or mumble about your secret love for glitter. No shade. Bottom line, sleep's your body and brain grinding harder than a barista at rush hour. It's fixing you, sorting your head, and prepping you to not suck tomorrow. Stick to a schedule, keep your room dark, and skip horror flicks before bed. That's sleep. Wild, right? Now go nap, or don't. I ain't your babysitter.